The Digitimer SPP-400 Trigger Generator is a programmable, digitally controlled single or two-channel trigger device compatible with our range of electrical stimulators and other instrumentation. The SPP-400 features precision digital controls, ensuring accuracy in use and reproducibility between sessions. Settings are accessed via the front panel controls or the supplied Windows GUI. Versatile operating modes permit continuous triggering, single pulses and trains, or even repeating bursts. The SPP-400 has two output channels that operate independently or in a linked mode to increase output pattern complexity. The input and output voltages are adjustable, making the SPP-400 widely compatible with other equipment. With the external power supply adapter connected, the SPP-400 is powered by a brief press of the rotary control. Pressing the top button toggles between the settings panels for the two output channels. Settings, including pulse delay, are adjusted using the rotary control. Other settings, such as repetition interval and pulse duration, are accessed via button 2 and adjusted in the same way. A maximum of 8 commonly used settings profiles may be stored and recalled using the Protocol Manager. Settings, including the trigger mode, trigger threshold, and output voltage, are adjusted within the main settings menu. The upper two buttons allow you to navigate to the setting of interest, and then adjust the value using the rotary control. The SPP-400 accepts manual triggering using the dedicated front panel button. An active input is confirmed by illumination of the input LED. When the SPP-400 is delivering an output, this is reflected in the status of the LEDs next to the pair of output sockets. External voltage sources may be used to trigger or gate the SPP-400. This input connection is also compatible with contact closure, foot or hand switches. Output from the SPP-400 is via a pair of BNC sockets on the right of the front panel.